bless you in Jesus' name. Yeah, today we're going to learn a very nice lick on 73625. I think it happens around 251. Yeah, a 251 lick. But I'll play 736 chord also. So let's not waste time. Let me just go straight to the point. So I'll play a song and play the lick then I'll show you. Do you understand? Like I'll play first and show you. So don't leave. Aha. God bless you. So we're gonna let's do this song. I like doing this song. If you follow this channel, you know. For you, great. Give me another song if you're tired of this song. Miracle, so great. There's no one. Sorry, it's very hard a bit to sing and play together. So I think let me just show you what I have to show you, because I can actually cope with singing and playing it. Yeah. I didn't practice that. Okay, so we're gonna be in the key of C. We're gonna be in the key of C. That's the most simplest. No, I will not call it the most simplest key. It's not actually most simplest, but it's most plain key. Yeah, plain key, like right. Okay, so a 736 in the a 736. I'll just show you that in the key of C. As you already know, most of you already know, is B is the 7, E is the 3. A is the 6, D is the 2, G is the 5, C is the 1, then F is the 4. So the lick we are doing is actually on 2, 5, 1. So it's around that 2, 5, 1, yeah. Okay, so right, 2, 5, okay. But it's like that 5, I think that 5 is like a minor 5, sort of. Dominant 7 rather. No, that's a minor 7. That's a minor 7 chord. But of course, I'm playing what's it called? I'm playing B flat major 7 on the left hand. So let me show you the stuff. So it goes for you. So we have 1. You do 7. Then I do 3 chord. Then I do 6. So when I'm going to my 2 chord, I'll now do this lick. Look at the lick. So minor 2, 2, 2, 4, 6, 1, 7, then to your what's it called? Flatted 7. Then you now do your, I'm calling the number so that you can play this on your key. You can learn this on your key. 6, flattened 7th. Let's call this 9 now. 11. Then you do this. So you pick up 5 to 6, then 5 to 6, right? While holding 1, then 6 to 7, then you find your way back. So it goes like this. I'll do it slowly. You do me 7, 6. So look at what is happening on the left hand. You're doing 2, you're doing 5, you're doing 1, then you're doing 4. So those are the chords. So it's like rootless. So look at it. 5, 1, 4. I'm sure most of you already know the chord. In this case, B flat major 7, right? Then B flat major 7 flat 5, then F major 7, right? So let me do it as slow as I can. Then so you can do your 6 minor third 2 to 1, right? So so that's that. So for you are great, you do there is no one like you. Alright, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like button and share this with your friends. This channel, we are going to 100k subscribers this year by the grace of God. This is 2023. We must enter 100k. So please keep sharing the good work with your friends and everyone. Modes. Bye.